This is Nazalie Youth Illuminator. Oh, okay. And then we got the peeling mask. I haven't even opened this, as you can tell. Oh, that's really nice. They all come sealed. Made in the United States. Spot erasing and tone correcting treatment. Oh, I love when they come with little baby spatulas. That is so cute. Okay, so this is the illuminator. This is what it's going to look like. Oh, wow. Oh, cool. It smells so clean. Oh, I love it. Thank you. I'm going to put that in for later. I already got a shimmer, sorry, on my hand. That's for another review. Oh, it feels really good. Really silky. As you can tell, that's more drier right there, and then that's not. Wow. Okay, so that was, yeah, the illuminator. Okay. Then we got the cleansing milk. This is her cleansing milk. Oh, wow. I love these kind of tubes. Oh, yep, with a pump. That's perfect. So after washing your face with warm water, sweep the milk over your skin with a cotton ball. In the evening. Oh, okay. After washing your face. Okay, so cleansing milk, I don't think you need to rinse this off. Oh, cool. Washing your face. Yeah. Yeah, cool. Now we got the mattifying day cream. This is her day cream. It's got another little baby spatula. Mattifying day cream. It's sealed. I'll unseal it on my Snapchat. That's the day cream. I love to keep my stuff in the box for right now. This is the anti-wrinkle eye cream. This is perfect for when I'm in the sun all the time. Perfect. Oh, cool. Comes with a spatula. Oh, that looks really promising. Thank you for sending all this. This is really nice. I'm going to keep a little spatula. Just the littlest things like that. That just really nice. And then this is the peeling mask. You apply it to a dry face, avoiding your eye area. Leave it on for 5 minutes. You can use daily. Okay. I'll be using that tonight. And then that. So you can find this. I'll be giving all the info below, and just subscribe. And I also will be having more stuff and more showings and everything like that when I get my other ring light in. So thank you guys.